Hello students, welcome you all on my channel. I'm with the topic Bryophyta, and here I'm going to discuss about the resemblance of with algae and pteridophyta, that is to say affinities. So how the Bryophytes are closely resembling with algae and pteridophyta. It is intermediate between algae and pteridophyta. They are, as you know, they are shady lovers. They thrive well in shady place and humid environment, and almost in rainy season they thrive well. So what are the resemblance with algae? First I will discuss its resemblance with algae, and second I will discuss about the resemblance with pteridophyta. I will also focus on its differences, and if I will get the time, then I will complete its classification in the same video. So, resemblance with algae here. I'm only focusing its resemblances. See, bryophytes and bryophytes and algae, they reproduce through sexual mode, and the sexual mode in algae, the algae also reproduce through oogamous type. So first of all, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is common in both, that is to say oogamous. Students, I had told you that in bryophytes they reproduce sexually only by one method, oogamous, but algae reproduce through isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. So oogamous is common here. Water is essential for fertilization in both cases. Plant body is thalloid. Plant body is thalloid. Here, with exception of Bryopsida, in Bryophyta, Hepaticopsida and Anthoceratopsida, they exhibit thalloid body. They prefer damp, humid and shady place. For growth. It is the common thing. They have true starch as a reserve food material in both divisions. Starch is reserve material, reserve food material. In both divisions, Starch is a reserve food material. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A is dominant. In both. A is 75% and B is 25%. One more important and very strong affinity of bryophyte with algae is one of the main important feature, resembling feature with each other is that they lack vascular system. Means they are cryptogams, both are cryptogams, and they are devoid of vascular system. So in both vascular system is lacking. So it's all about its resemblance. And now I'm going to discuss about the resemblance with Pteridophyta. That's true. Pteridophyta. What are the main resemblance between Bryophyta and Pteridophyta? Or I will discuss here. See, Bryophytes and Pteridophytes, they have sexual structure, that is to say antheridia and archegonium, common. Sexual structure or reproductive structure. Structures are common in both, that is to say archegonium and antheridium. Archegonium is female sex structure and antheridium is the male sex structure. They are surrounded by or covered by, they are covered by or surrounded by jacket of sterile cells. I'm just talking about affinity, resemblance, means both possess what the character are present in both, identical character. The second point, water is essential for fertilization in both cases. Water is essential for fertilization in both. Sexual reproduction is always oogamous type. Sexual reproduction is always oogamous type. Here they both exhibit alternation of generation, means here means one phase alternate with another phase. So here you will see that gametophytic phase is alternating with sporophytic phase. So both exhibit alternation of generation. So both exhibits alternation of generation. See here, in pteridophytes like Lycopodium or Rhynia extinct form, Lycopodium, they are rootless. Instead of root, they have rhizoids. So rhizoids is present in bryophytes. So such rhizoids is resembling with Lycopodium's rhizoids. So students, it's all about the resemblance with the pteridophyte. They both possess cuticles. So cuticle is characteristic of both. Cuticle is feature of both. And the one important point, the anthrozoids of bryophytes and pteridophytes both have flagella. So they possess flagellated anthrozoids. So students, it's all about its resemblance. I will discuss the classification and remaining portion of the bryophytes in my next video. So students, have a nice day and please don't forget to subscribe.